everyone. Okay? It is okay, I'm standing up?
Yeah.
Good. So, I'm going to talk about the child trafficking issue. So, what happened after the child trafficking? What did you see in the video? Children are trafficked. Okay, and then where they are sold. Okay, domestic work, child labor, and also for sex industry. Children are sold. That's why we call child trafficking. So you know the child trafficking issue, but sometimes we don't know the right of the trafficked children and how to protect the right of trafficked children. So access to justice, the mean is how to protect the children from another abuse by the media, by the other people, and also protect them to return back to the home safely. This is what we mean access to justice. So my presentation will focus on the research we did in Cambodia, Thailand, and the Philippines. So the research is done in year 2010 in 3 countries. One is Cambodia, Thailand, and the Philippines. In Cambodia, we have partners for Cambodia Act, Cambodia Against Child Trafficking. You know the group? Thank you. So, sorry? Okay, good. So the local group did the research, interview with the many people, and get the information. What is happened when children are rescued, when children are in the shelter, when children are returned and sent back to the home. Similarly, another research done in Thailand by Burma Act, Burma Against Child Trafficking. In the Philippines, the research is done by PAC, Philippines Against Child Trafficking. So we did the research for 6 months, and we interviewed total 123 people from government, from NGOs, from the shelters, and parents of the children and victims of trafficking, and also community leaders. So we have 122 people interviewed. So when we do the legal framework, we see many similar situations and legal framework in 3 countries. Thailand, Philippines, and Cambodia, they are the member states of CRC. You know CRC already, right? Your country ratified it, Thailand and Philippines. And Palermo Convention, that's another convention for the human trafficking. So that Cambodia and Philippines and Thailand, Cambodia and Thai, Philippines ratified, but Thailand just signed the Palermo Convention. And every country has the anti-human trafficking law. In your country, we found that laws of separation of human trafficking and sexual exploitation in 2008, Thailand Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act 2008, and the Philippines Republic Act Anti-Child Trafficking in Persons Act 2003. So every country has the domestic law relating with the human trafficking. But when we talk about Witness Protection Act, Cambodia does not have the Witness Protection Act, but only Thailand and Philippines has the witness protection. Witness protection means if you are going to the court, government should protect you from any harassment or any intimidation by other people. So this is the situation. So I'm going to talk about the access to justice. When there's a suspicion or there's a report of child trafficking, Do you know where to call and where to report the case? Can you call to the police? Yeah, police. So police go and rescue the children. So this part we call rescue. So if you saw the child trafficking victims at the shops, at the factories, on the fishing boats, you can report them, but the police will go and take the children out of this place. This is what we call rescue. Understand? And next one, you have to interview the children. How the children was taken, what kind of condition, who brought them, what kind of work the children has to do. So police and social workers interview and get that information from the victims of child trafficking. This is what we call interview and investigation. Third one, case finding and children witnesses. So if you sure that this is a child trafficking case, you have to open a file, you send the information, and you send the case to the court. So the court can follow up for the legal protection and processing. And you prepare for the trial. So children were sent to the court, but you need to prepare because children are very afraid and very afraid to go to see the judges and go to the court. So you have to give them this kind of legal information and prepare the children how to go and speak when the children is asked by the judges. This is we call preparation of trial. And children at witness stand. So children can give the testimony, provide the evidence. So that information will be very good and helpful for the legal process against the perpetrators. We call child trafficker. And then when the case finishes, we cannot keep the children forever in the shelter. They need to go back to the home, go back to the community so they can stay together with their family. So this part we call aftercare support and services. So we are talking about the process from rescue until reach the home. So this is we are talking about the access to justice.